Now you're watching saddle valve replacement. Here's the old one. Leaks pretty good. I'm gonna try to put this camera to where they can kind of see me. That's no joke. It's kind of up there in a location that is not necessarily so let me see. Get under here upside down as I should. I'm gonna get this saddle valve turned on to where I can feel the finder, the needle, and put it back into the hole it was in before. Right there. Okay. Yeah. Oh my goodness. All these pipes. It's hard to get my hands on top of this. Right there. There it is. So I found where the old one was. Now I'm going to tighten up these guys. Get them with each other. Make that correct. Bad thing is the saddle valve's heading the wrong way. Let me see if I can turn that without much of a problem. Now I'm going to just take it off and spin it around. That's all I can do. Instead of making things difficult for myself. Just take one side right off. Right. Drop it down and around and turn that like this. Find this hole again. Right there. There it is. I don't like the way that's sitting in there. Okay. It is correct. Just didn't like the way it feels. Let's go ahead and tighten that up. Because my arms are wearing out. I'm not gonna lie. What an awkward position right there this is. Now that we back this out enough, we can tighten it up a little bit more where it's comfortable. There. guy out of the way. There. Tighten this up a little bit. It does get a rubber washer in there, so you don't have to go really crazy. Call that. A bit more. More. There. Now let me make sure it's freely. Yep, that's freely. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off for now. Let me see. Yep, it just would be off. Now we're ready. Ready to turn the water on. There's the braided line. I gotta clean up that water. Braided line right here. Comes out outside the cabinet. Goes right here to the refrigerator. Right there's my hole.